So I came across your website and I just want to give some feedback on this. What I like about your website is so simple and it's so easy to access. So there's are the services that you're offering and it's so good. And the number is here, the phone number is here, so it's easy for a client to look for this. So now let's take a look what's happened online as far as what people on Google search or see. Let's take a look at the customer looking for a service would see on Google and what we are looking right now. I'm going to show it to you. This is a ranking grid. This is a ranking grid and you can see you are number one right. No, you are number three right here in the corner around, and it drops off quickly on this like at the bottom. So one of the suggestions we are giving business on this right now is to put another profile and another website in another corner of the city that you want to grow into. Now let's take a quick look to see how you are ranking. Wait, I'm going to show it to you. How you are Davis Tree. So you are here. As you can see, you are at the 28th in position. This is where you're ranking overall in the entire area. So above you, our companies are also offering the same as you do. So you know what we are thinking right now, or what we can suggest, like I said before, is another website and another business Google profile. We're going to send you an example of a website that we built as a test model that we could brand for you and help you put up another profile to, to get you more work or more jobs. Now, if you have any inquiries or you are interested, please let us know. Thank you.